got an average score of 91.40. Ang taas. Our best in shorts goes to candidate number... Wow! Number 10! Candidate number 10. Our best in shorts. You will receive a trophy and a cash prize to be given by Mr. Victorino Fernandez. Congratulations, candidate number 10.
We have our best in evening gown. Our best in evening gown got 91.78. Ang taas, 91.78. Our best in evening gown. Candidate number... You know? Candidate number 7. Okay. So you will receive a cash prize and a trophy also. Okay, so thank you very much, ladies. Pwede na kayong bumaba.